What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right now, we are going to be putting in these hooks. These hooks are from Amazon. If you have been a long time review on the channel, I review home goods, I review garage goods, I review lawn goods, everything dealing with the house, I pretty much review it. So, with that being said, I love hooks. You can do some cool stuff if you're into crafting, holiday stuff. You can put these on your shelf on your fireplace if you have the ability to do that. But we are going to put these in our closet because my wife want the kids to hang the book bags in the closet. So I bought this whiteboard from Lowe's and I went on and put it up. And I'm just going to put maybe like a hook here and then maybe two hooks in the middle. That way you can hang your book bags in the closet. Okay. That's what she wanted, you guys. I was suggesting to put it like on the outside so the kids, she don't want no exposure on the outside. All right. Even on this wall right here. All right. She said not on the wall. So she wants it in the closet. That's on her. I don't care. Okay. So don't come at me and say, oh, why would you put it in there? All right. So that's what she wanted, and that's where we're going to put it. So you have the hook, and you get plenty of them, you guys. Plenty hooks. Plenty of hooks. Can't go wrong with hooks. We got plenty of hooks, and then they come with screws. Now, normally I use my own drywall screws because I just like the size and the durability of my drywall screws. But these holes right here seem a little small to fit a drywall screw. So I might have to use the screws that come with it. All right. And the screws that come with it, they are small. So you see that? Very small. So I'm going to go ahead and put one up. Let me check my drywall screw just to see the size comparison. All right. So let's see. Yeah, just a tad bit small because the threads are rubbing right against the wall of the hole. So I have to use the small screws. Let me see. Can I fit two book bags on one shelf? That's the question. Book bag, and then put a book bag here. So I might be able to fit two book bags. So let's see. All right. Got the hook and nice. It's doing that because I'm in an angle. I'm crooked. So it's doing that because I'm in an angle, you guys. All right, straighten this hook up a little bit more. Now I can go in and hold. There we go. Perfect. Now if I want. Good. All right, you guys. So we have the hooks lined and sinkered. Whatever that phrase is, right? But we have the hooks up. All right. I know I'm corny, but we have the hooks up. Everything is good. It looks good, actually. I didn't use the countersink. I was going to use the countersink and put it inside and then putty the screws, but I don't know. I'll think about it. Let me know what y'all think. Should I hide the screws? And that will be it, you guys. I will be putting the hooks up in other places, but this was the main place that my wife wanted the hooks. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.